PESTEL Analysis.
A PESTEL analysis is a strategic tool used to understand the macro-environmental factors that can impact an organization. It examines 6 key areas: political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal.
Understanding the components.
Political factors: government policies, political stability, trade regulations, taxation, and political attitudes. Example: changes in trade tariffs can significantly impact import and export businesses. A new government's environmental regulations could affect the energy sector. Economic factors: economic growth, inflation rates, interest rates, exchange rates, and unemployment levels. Example: a recession can decrease consumer spending, affecting retail businesses. Rising interest rates can impact businesses that rely on borrowing. Social factors: demographics, cultural trends, lifestyle changes, consumer attitudes, and social values. Example: an aging population can create opportunities for healthcare and senior living businesses. Increasing awareness of health and wellness can drive demand for organic food and fitness products. Technological factors: technological advancements, automation, research and development, and the rate of technological change. Example: the rise of artificial intelligence (AI) is transforming various industries, from customer service to manufacturing. Advancements in renewable energy technologies are impacting the energy sector. Environmental factors: climate change, pollution, resource scarcity, and environmental regulations. Example: growing concerns about climate change are driving demand for sustainable products and practices. Increased frequency of natural disasters can disrupt supply chains. Legal factors: laws and regulations related to employment, consumer protection, data privacy, and intellectual property. Example: changes in data privacy laws, like GDPR, require businesses to adapt their data handling practices. New labor laws can affect employment costs and practices.
Example: the electric vehicle EV industry.
Political: government subsidies for e-purchases. Regulations on emissions and fuel efficiency, investment in charging infrastructure. Economic: fluctuations in fuel prices. Consumer spending on big-ticket items, availability of financing for e-purchases. Social: growing environmental awareness. Changing consumer preferences for sustainable transportation. Social acceptance of EVs. Technological: advances in battery technology. Development of charging infrastructure, autonomous driving capabilities. Environmental: concerns about climate change and air pollution. Availability of resources for battery production, recycling of batteries. Legal: safety regulations for EVs, regulations on battery disposal. Intellectual property law regarding battery design.
Key takeaways.
Macro-environmental analysis. PESTEL helps organizations understand the broader context in which they operate. Strategic planning. It provides insights for developing strategies to adapt to and capitalize on external factors. Risk management. It helps identify potential threats and develop contingency plans. Proactive approach. It encourages organizations to be proactive rather than reactive to changes in the environment.